Fare bella figura. Make a good impression. Be a sharp-dressed man. Hi, my name's Greg Story. I'm the president of Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training. And in business today, people judge us immediately based on how we are dressed, before we even get to say one word. Unfair? Yep. I run my own soft skills corporate training business in Tokyo. Every day, I carefully choose my clothes to determine that so important first impression. How do you handle it? As a mentor in 2002, my teams won the competition in 2004 and 2005, and no one has done 3 years in a row as yet, so that record still stands. I've been delivering lectures to JMEC for the past 18 years. I like it because it gives young people the chance to broaden their business experiences through participating in the business plan writing competition and through the lectures they receive from various experts on business here in Japan. I give one lecture on how to write the business plan, and at the end of the program I give the lecture on how to present the business plan to the judges during the oral component. I was also attending the annual general meeting of the American Chamber of Commerce of the Tokyo American Club in Azabudai that evening. I knew the chamber event would have lots of boring-looking guys wearing dark suits, so I went for my custom grey bird's eye suit, candy-striped pink and white shirt, pink and white pocket square, and pink tie to stand out in the crowd. My single-breasted suit had notch lapels, side vents, flat pockets, double cuffs, and I was wearing over-the-calf grey socks. The burgundy belt to match the shoes was from Oraton. The Winchester shirt with white collar and white French cuffs was custom, using fabric from Lanvin in a pink and white candy stripe. The soft pink tie was from T.M. Lewin, using a double Windsor knot. A candy striped pink and white shirt is not that easy to match with a tie, but the solid but soft pink in the tie had enough contrast in the colour palette to work. The pocket square was from David Jones, done in reverse puff. This worked well because the pocket square edges were in white, so I got a nice pink and white combination which matched well with the shirt and provided enough contrast with the grey bird's eye suit. I like the bird's eye in a suit because it isn't just grey like everyone else and has that additional interest in the pattern that makes you stand out in the crowd. The silver corporate badge from Dale Carnegie, the pen was my black and gold Mont Blanc, the business card holder from Lanvin, the watch, my vintage 24mm gold Cartier Tank Française with a black nubuck alligator strap. The high shine shoes were burgundy, TLB Mallorca Artista Series Adelaide Oxfords using a Picasso last with a punched toe cap in Vigano French leather from the Danone Tannery. I know pink and burgundy are in the same colour range, but I wonder if I would have been better going for black shoes instead. What do you think? We had training for a multinational client going on in the Mochizuki room in our headquarters this day, so we moved outside for the shot near my office in Akasaka. Bill Hall, and he gave me some direction that I should get involved. Now, Bill has been in Japan for over 50 years and is probably the most senior Australian businessman in the country, so his word carries weight out of respect for what he's done here over many, many years. Now, I started. If you want to accelerate your proficiency in leadership, communication, sales, presentations, diversity, equity, inclusion, or want high-level executive coaching, there's only one place operating at the highest level, and that's Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training. You can find out more about us in the attachments with this video.